Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to be making canned apple dump cake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna grease our baking dish. We are using 9 by 13 inches. Set that aside. Now to the ingredients. You are going to need 1 yellow cake mix, cinnamon, 2 cans of apple pie, and half a cup unsalted butter. It should be melted, guys. Now let's get started. Start by opening the cans of apple pie filling. Then we're gonna pour the apple pie filling into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Now using a spoon, spread the mixture evenly across the baking dish. Next, we're gonna open the cake mix. Then we're gonna sprinkle the cake mix over the apples. One thing I like about this dessert, guys, is perfect for a family gathering, potluck, or any occasion where you need a sweet treat that is both delicious and easy to make. And it's a great way to enjoy the flavors of classic apple pie without all the work that goes into making one from scratch. Next, we are going to sprinkle the cinnamon over the cake mix. Next, using a spoon, we're gonna drizzle melted butter over the cake mix. One thing I like about canned apple dump cake, guys, it can be customized with different types of pie fillings, cake mixes, and spices. Now the cake is ready to be baked. We're gonna bake it for 30 to 40 minutes until the cake mix is golden brown. The cake is done. I just pulled it out of the oven. Look how golden it is. Allow it to cool slightly for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna serve the dump cake warm, topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of caramel sauce if desired. There you have it, guys, canned apple dump cake, a delicious and easy dessert that can be enjoyed by anyone regardless of their baking skills. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe and would like to receive more easy and delicious recipes, please consider subscribing to our channel. Follow us on social media, Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to hear your feedback and share more recipes with you in the future. So why not try making one today and see how easy and delicious it can be. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.